creates the illusion of one beauty standard, a category where many simply do not fit.
Thinking that I need to be short to be cute and have like a cute nose. That word cute is so, it sort of comes up so much.
Hi, Holly.
Hi.
Let's just have a quick look. I'm just gonna sort of feel a few things here as well.
In Vancouver, 16-year-old Holly Bradley is doing something some might find drastic. She was bullied growing up, so last February, Holly, with her mother Debbie's support, got rhinoplasty, a nose job.
The hump is completely gone. It was really standing out before. It was very broad.
Holly always hated her nose, says it didn't fit her face, and she saw models and influencers do the same thing.
There's so many people out there that are getting these like things enhanced. Bella Hadid got her nose done, which I look up to her nose so much. It's gorgeous. Their noses were so small and dainty, and I always had that big hump sort of, and the tip was pointed down more.
Holly says the pressure to look a certain way is real, but that social media was also an inspiration.
I feel like it shows people my age that, you know, it's okay to change the way you look sometimes to make yourself view yourself better.
Did you have a lot of bruising after the surgery?
No, I had maybe a bruise here.
Okay.
Holly's surgeon, Dr. Tom Buonassisi, has been a facial plastic surgeon for over 20 years and says he turns away half of the patients who want to see him.
So it's been about 6 weeks now
Yeah.
since your surgery. Okay. And how have you been feeling? I don't think social media has much of an influence on the laws of physics. I can do what I can do. But what worries me is just that kids are seeing images, or they're wanting to look like images they see on the internet or in social media that just isn't realistic. I think my job is to communicate to patients, just explain to them, you know, why it's not possible to look like that, and also to be the voice of reason. Holly, you were always pretty easy that way. I think you had a good sense for what you thought was reasonable. You also took my advice.
Dr. Buonassisi worked with Holly and Debbie for 6 months, slowing the process to ensure certainty and helping design a nose that would work with Holly's face.
Of course, I go in with that, you know, vision of that swoop and that emphasized tip, but then I saw it on the computer, and it was a better look for me.
Yeah, I thought so too.
Yeah.
She's basically like, you know, trudging the way forward for other girls who maybe feel like they can't bring this up to their parents, or they think it's a negative thing asking for a surgery to improve their beauty or to improve just their sense of self going out into the world every day, right?
Holly says she feels more like herself, but is still waiting to debut her new nose on social media.
I haven't posted anything yet, but it's going to be coming soon because I'm just waiting for the swelling to go down just a bit.
It's a question of expectations. Are they realistic?